Our top news this week: ARRI has just announced a new and improved accessory for your Alexa Mini LF camera rig. The new cforce Mini Clamp Console 2 has been redesigned with solid aluminum inserts, compared to the plastic design of the previous version, which could easily fall off. The new Clamp Console 2 offers better grip and prevents slipping when mounted onto 19mm or 15mm rods. The new accessory is compatible with a wide range of ARRI accessories, including the cforce Mini lens motors, cforce Mini RF, as well as the OCU one. Adobe has just released Premiere Pro 15.0 and After Effects 18 updates, bringing significant improvements to working with captions, as well as 24 new color presets for the Premiere Rush desktop and mobile app. The new Captions workflow in Premiere Pro offers a comprehensive set of tools for more intuitive customization of subtitles and captions, which will be enhanced even further with speech-to-text later in 2021. The popular Warp Stabilizer tool in Premiere Pro and After Effects has also been optimized and is now said to be 4 times as fast in reducing camera shake in 4K footage. Video creators can now also use media replacement in motion graphics to quickly swap assets such as images, logos, or videos within templates. Røde Microphones has announced the 2nd generation Wireless Go, building on the massive success of the original and bringing some much-awaited new features. The Wireless GO II is now a dual-channel wireless system with 2 transmitters, allowing you to record professional audio from 2 sources at once directly into your camera. In addition, the Wireless GO II comes with a redesigned front display, extended range up to 200 meters, and improved signal transmission. Røde also announced a new companion app called Røde Central, which gives users the ability to record a safety track. And last but not least, the Wireless GO II can now also record up to 7 hours of uncompressed audio internally onto its built-in memory. And that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.